Hello everyone, so hey, how's it going guys? So it's your boy Yashua Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel guys, please like the video, share the video and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you want me to donate like 1,000 V-Bucks. Okay, I'ma soon do a giveaway of 1,000 V-Bucks, so you better give this video a thumbs up right now and leave me a comment down below. Okay, all right, so in this video I'm gonna show you first step by step how you're gonna buy V-Bucks code. Okay, it's a global code of V-Bucks that you can redeem on Epic Games Launcher or into your account. All right, how we're gonna buy them using Bitcoin, okay, cryptocurrency. I don't care about the, as you can see here, say for example I would take the Fortnite 13,500 V-Bucks on Epic Games. Okay, on the Epic Games store it is like $80. Right now it is $84.84. okay, so as you can see it is about $4. okay, let's say it is $5 more. So you're paying $5 more. Alright, so who cares, man? Alright, so yeah. So this is what this is a website, okay, which is Dundle. Okay, Dundle.com. I have once purchased from this website before. Okay, they do accept like PayPal, credit cards, Razor Pay, Apple Pay, and here they accept like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Skrill and so on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, and as you can see guys, this is instant delivery, and this is it's listed here globally redeemable. So that means I can it is not wow, the code, okay, the Fortnite V-Bucks code is region free. Okay, what I mean by region free, you can redeem it globally, okay, anywhere around the world. Okay, even if you're from India, you're from Africa, USA, Europe, okay, you're from Paris, France, or whatever, you can redeem it everywhere. Okay, everywhere in the world. So all right, let's give it a try. So I'm gonna click buy now. Okay, so this immediately gets into the shopping cart over there. Okay, wow, yeah, I don't see anything. If there was a coupon code, I don't have coupon, so I'm just gonna press checkout. Here where it says send codes by email, here you want to enter your email address, okay, and then you click on checkout. And on the next page guys, on this page what you need to do is you're gonna select the payment method. Okay, so I'm gonna go with cryptocurrency. All right, and there's another percentage fees, okay, 3.5% fees. All right, so I'm gonna click checkout. All right, order created. From here, here you can see, and now it added fees, transaction fees, and total it becomes $88. Okay, so this is euros, so you can Google search that. So if you'd like to say, now I gotta verify my Coinbase assets. All right, so I'm gonna hit continue. Redirected payment, redirected, done successfully. And now what I'm gonna do is wait, in my Coinbase app I'm gonna scan and pay. Okay, I'm gonna scan this QR code and then I'm gonna send this amount. Okay, so actually the mail, okay, on the website it says instantly. Okay, all right, as you can see, payment funds, I am beginning to getting coinpayments.net payment funds. Okay, hash in terms of SHA Okay, the encryption SHA-512, okay, 512 coded. So I hit dismiss that. And as you can see, boom guys, as you can see, he says this for yourself, dundle.com. Thank you for your order, blah 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 blah. So your order code, you're gonna find it in the invoice attached down below. So go to epic, okay, epicgames.com. all right, I should visit epicgames.com. Then I'm just gonna go to redeem codes. Not this, but I'm gonna go to my account first, successful, and here's a code. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit paste, hit next, and apply. All right, so let's do that. Next, boom, as you can see, voila, the code. All right, Yashvi Gaming, let's do this. The code is valid. Where do you play Fortnite? I'm on PC. Alright, so I'm gonna hit confirm, and voila guys, I have redeemed 2,800 VBucks. Alright, and now when I log it in Fortnite, you should see the Fortnite VBucks. It should say a gift is waiting for me. Alright, so let's see. Alright, and now you can use your VBucks to buy skins, emotes, or whatever the hell you want to do with your VBucks. Okay. As you can see, purchase item redeem. Your items are waiting for you.